it's Rue. In this video, we are going to make the Vodka Red Bull, also known as Red Bull Vodka. Are you guys ready to make this drink with me? Let's go. To make this drink, we need to gather these ingredients: vodka and Red Bull, 2 items. It's tool time. Let's go grab ice, a highball glass, a jigger, and a bar spoon. First step, add ice. Grab your vodka, open the bottle. We'll be pouring 2 ounces of vodka into the glass. Next, grab your Red Bull. You could free pour and stop maybe this way, up to here. That'll probably give you 3 ounces, but I'm going to show you using a jigger. And the last step is to grab your bar spoon and stir the drink. And there you go, my friends. A Red Bull Vodka, or Vodka Red Bull. Cheers.
If you want to learn how to make more cocktail drinks from home, subscribe and hit the bell button so you don't miss an episode. Comment below if there's a drink you would like to see next.